Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so look, it's been a wild week. It has been a wild week. It's been a volatile week. It's been a week where you could really do some damage to yourself. It's a week where you can do well. I've got some emails. We've done about 270 handles going into today. I'm not going to do a whole heck of a lot today. We'll trade a little bit. We've been trading a little bit right now. Right now we're long against 70. Came down, it touched our marker at 27.70. It's gone up as high as 78. It's back into 74. Those of us that didn't get as good an entry or re-entering here, just to see another kind of a walk up. Now, here's the daily chart. We talked about channel days yesterday. And if you didn't watch yesterday's webcast, go back to the morning webcast and watch it. We talked about channel days. I consider the channel the space in between the gray line here, which is your third standard deviation lower band, and the yellow, your second standard deviation lower band. The second standard deviation lower band, after gigantic dump out days like this, tends to act as resistance. It did here and here. So we continue to be in the channel. It's pretty typical to stay in it for a couple of days. What you'll start to see as a function of just the expansion of the bands, you'll see price start to drift back up inside. We got to an extreme area yesterday, 27.12.25, and I put this out on social. And if you didn't watch this one, go back and watch it. It's also up on YouTube. We have an area based upon some work that I've done with the 45-day pivot called Bet the House. Okay. Yesterday's bet the house level was 27.15.42, I want to say. So when we come down, there's not many levels where we just say, okay, we got to close our eyes, we got to do what we need to do. If we get hit on our disaster stop, we get hit on our disaster stop, and it is what it is. I mean, this only happens a couple of times a year. It happened back in January. The bet the house level back in January was 28.74. I think we traded as high as 78.25 or 78.75. That was the high forever. And then we came down. We traded down here. We tripped that 15. It always overshoots a little bit. But when you're talking about 50 handled chunks, I mean, you know, you're not going to nail it to the handle. So we were short all the way down. We got long. We rode it up. I still have people that are in this thing that are up like, 50, 60 handles. But, that is a level that I do every morning in our briefing report. So here's my Excel. So here's the support and resistance table that goes into the briefing report every morning. This is for subscribers. I do this every day, like a monk transcribing a book, right? Because you never know when you're going to need it. You only need it a couple of times a year, but when you need it, right? So yesterday it was 27.15.42. Today it's 26.84.42. Do I think we're going to 26.84.42 today? Of course not. But so I mean the pivot table, which everybody sees, that if you get the daily report, you get we call it the crazy town thing. I labeled this one thing crazy town many years ago, and it stuck. So we just refer to it in the room as crazy town. So you get this every morning. You get weekly pivots once a week. You get monthly pivots. That's all at your fingertips in what we call the briefing report, which is out there for subscribers. In addition, you get the daily chart, you get the monthly, not the monthly chart, you get the hourly chart, and you get and you get the webcast there, the one that I'm doing right now at your fingertips. That plus you get to be in the room and do 270 room handles or however many handles you want to do or not do over the course of the week. So, I mean, this is a weird week, but the goals for the room are 4 a day and 20 a week, and we hit those marks in 80 for a month, very consistently. So watch the channel today. All right, hourly chart. Here's the bet the house rejection, 12.25. We're back into battling over the 200-day exponential moving average. Okay, here and again here. It was down here at 60. It was battling. I had to move the line up to 70. So really more appropriately. Forget it. So this high and this high, these two highs, daily lower band resistance, daily lower band resistance. So they're going to have to get up and over the daily lower band, which on the December chart is sitting at right around 80. So, we just did 78 and change. If they can get up over 80, they can go ahead and try out the roundy. Don't discount the fact that this thing may just want to walk on up and do a good old-fashioned bear market rally on a Friday, okay? The most dangerous thing about bear market rallies is don't be early. Just don't, okay? Be long or be flat, but be patient, okay? Don't fight price. Now, could we not see the other side of 80 all day long? Absolutely. This thing could slip back down and do its thing. If it does, fine. Be short. Take your profits where you find them. Respect risk. Don't fight price if they want to keep taking it up again. This is a day where you can really, really hand it back, at least part of it. If you get lazy or if you get greedy or if you get, if you get dug in with regard to a philosophy, whether that's long, short, or otherwise. Saying, well, this thing really needs to go lower. It needs to hold the 200-day. This needs to be the time where we really wash some people out of the market. Really? What, are you on CNBC or something? Or one of those, horrible things? Look, just trade price, trade risk, okay? Be patient, don't be greedy, chill. It's all good, okay? I will be out. We'll do a midday today. I may or may not do a wrap-up. Look, I may not be trading past 2 o'clock, depending on the day goes. I'll tell you right now, if today chops, I'm not going to trade much. And my suggestion is, if today chops, you shouldn't trade much. Because after the week that the market has given us, if it's choppy, why the hell should we trade? Either it's going to cooperate or not. If it wants to pick everybody's pocket on a Friday, walk away from that. You don't need to be trading that stuff. All right. Everybody have a great day. I'll check you guys out on social. Have a great weekend. Trade them well. I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.